Okay, so as the video title promised, here are my 3 cuckoo clocks on my bed, and I'm going to show you the inside of each one. So this is the Schneider. You can see that Schneider, or Regula, whoever it was that left this, left a nice note here in 3 different languages, French, English, and German, letting you know to not move this thing during the cuckoo call, even though that doesn't affect anything. I've already tried doing it because I'm a rebel. That was so cringeworthy, but here's the movement. It is indeed Regula. There is their trademark. The other cuckoo clock, I want to say, is also made by Regula. It looks like a Regula. It has the same overall construction, just a little bit bigger. There's the hammer for the gong, and the bellows, of course. Don't force too much air through those, because it'll just sound horrible. There you go. There's some markings there. GM. I don't know what GM means. It could mean German made. It's what one of my friends suggested. 25-N. There's a marking there, 25-N. No jewels, unadjusted. And A. Schneider Zone. Sorry, my German pronunciation. Made in Germany. GM 1884288 is the top row. And then 1692176 is the bottom row of numbers. I like to accommodate for my visually impaired viewers, so sorry if this is annoying for those that can see, but I want to provide as much vocal detail as I can for those who can't see. Now my biggest cuckoo, the one with the music box train I should say, here is the inside of this one, which also looks Regula. He even shares the same markings there. If I just move the crutch, you see the same GM. Top row of numbers is 1884266, and the bottom row is 1892176. And then here, there's some numbers that say A25-80. That might be the model of the movement. And there is no Regula trademark where it normally would be, and there's no manufacturer name on the plates where it was on the previous Regula. There's the music box. The music box has, in German, June of 1981. I think that's, 1981. And it plays Edelweiss and Somewhere My Love. There's the mechanism that stops it. It's a little hook that... Here, let me see if I can activate it. There we go. Which string is it? I forget. There we go. Yeah, there's that thing activating and turning off. It wasn't very... There we go. You can see how it blocks the fly there. When I move this, you can also see the dancers move. It sounds so uneven because I'm manually pulling on the chain, so that's why. And finally, my smallest cuckoo clock, aside from the Helmut Kammerer, but that one doesn't have a striking train, so I'm gonna leave that one out. This looks like it's also of Regula construction, though it is my only cuckoo clock with a count wheel. The movement's hard to see because there's giant cuckoo bellows blocking the way. There is no other text aside... No, there's no text on it at all, actually. But the same arch there at the bottom of the movement, sort of, is there throughout the other movements. So this makes me think it's also a regula, but I really don't know. It's interesting that this has a count wheel, and the bellows are actually wooden. They're not just plastic bellows, so this could be an older cuckoo clock. I'm not too sure. But yeah, there's the cuckoo. Here's the cuckoo on the Schneider. Bye-bye. This guy doesn't want to show. There he is. And here we are, back up and running again. I like it when Edelweiss plays on the hour instead. That was the Schneider. The first one you heard was the unmarked one. You may notice everything's kind of stopped at 3 o'clock. Yeah, I just need some peace and quiet for once. So that's them stopped again. There's one of them that's still going here. Well, 3, I guess. Make that 4. He's on silent, though. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hope that was informative. Let me know if you know any information that I don't know, like who manufactured that small cuckoo clock.